Hi everyone, today I'm doing a review on the Night You Were Born by Nancy Tillman. This book is a board book, if you could see, and it is not easily tearable, but it bends a little, not that strong. It's a very good, it's not a storybook, I would say, it's like a poetry kind of a thing. And if you could see, there is a psalm over here, Psalm 139, for you are fearfully and wonderfully made. So this book is about a child. When a child is born, what a mother feels, and how the mother would like to sing to their child what you exactly feel. So I just love this book. When I purchased it, she was quite small, so it was really good to sing to her. And I would like to show you what exactly is there in this book. So here it starts. On the night you were born, the moon smiled with such wonder that the stars peeked in to see you, and the night wind whispered, life will never be the same, because there had never been anyone like you ever in this world. And there's a small baby kept over here near the window, and the moon is smiling over here. So it's really touching book, I felt. And so here it says, so enchanted with you were the wind and the rain, that they whispered the sound of your wonderful name. The sound of your name is a magical one. Let's say it out loud before we go on. And if you could see, in this image there is a small music. You are the one and only ever you. And from here on, if you could see in the images, there's a music lines written on each image, plus on this side there is a poetry. So in this page it sailed through the farmland high on the breeze. And again there's a music over here. Who in the world is exactly like you? Who? Over the ocean. And here there is no music over here, but still, and through the trees. So there are some pages which have only few words mentioned, but it's lovely. Until everyone heard it and everyone knew of the one and only ever you. The ducks also knew about the babies born. So that's what they want to say. Not once had there been such eyes, such nose, such silly, wiggly, wonderful toes. The little toes of the child has been shown over here, and the moon over here is waiting for the child to wiggle the toes. So it is written over here. In fact, I think I'll count to 3 so you can wiggle your toes for me. So when the polar bear heard, they danced until dawn. So like each and every animal, the nature who heard about this child who was born, they are just waiting to see the child and hear the voice of the child and hear the smile about the child. So all that is mentioned over here. From the far away places, the geese flew home. So everyone is happy in this, knowing that the child is born. The moon stayed up until morning next day, and none of the ladybirds flew away. So whenever you doubt just how special you are, and you wonder who loves you, how much and how far, listen for geese honking high in the sky. They are singing a song to remember you by. Or notice the bears asleep at the zoo. It's because they've been dancing all night for you. Or drift off to sleep to the sound of the wind. Listen closely. It's whispering your name again. If the moon stays up until morning one day, or a ladybug lands and decides to stay, or a ladybird sits at your window a while, it's because they are all hoping to see you smile. So each and every creature, each and every animal, each and every bird, and each and everything is waiting for this child to smile. So that's all it is sent. For never before in a story or rhyme, not even once upon a time, has the world ever known you, my friend, and it never will, not ever again. Heaven blew every trumpet and played every horn on the wonderful, marvelous night you were born. So that's how the moon is honking the trumpet, and heaven also. So there are around 32 pages in it, and all are board pages, and it's easy to catch. And I would suggest, if you like the book, you could purchase it, and it's a very good book, I would suggest. So if you like the video, please do like, subscribe and share. And if there is any comments you would want to share, you could mention it below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.